మీకు అప్డేట్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కావాలనుకుంటే బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి. రాజేష్ లెక్కలు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. బీటెక్, డిగ్రీ, ఇంటర్, పాలిటెక్నిక్, ఎస్ఎస్సి ఆల్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ నా వీడియోస్ ఉంటాయండి.
Welcome to Rajesh Lekaru. Today our topic is matrices. This topic importance of intermediate and polytechnic also. See, diagonal matrix, a square matrix in which all the elements except those in the principal diagonals are zeros is called a diagonal matrix. See here, except those in the principal diagonal or zeros. These values are zeros. Diagonal elements this one not equal to 0 and remaining elements zeros. Okay, thus capital A equal A11 0 0 0 0 A22 0 0 so on 0 0 so on ANN. This is a square matrix. N by n matrix is a diagonal matrix. It can also be written as A equal diagonal of A11 A22, A33, so on, ANN. Okay, next, trace of a matrix. Let capital A equal Aij. I means rows, J means column here, n by n. Then, trace of a square matrix capital A is defined as summation I equal 1 to n Aii. Now here J equals also I and is denoted by trace of A. Okay, thus trace of A equals summation I equal 1 to n Aii equal A11 plus A22 plus A33 so plus ANN. See here, we are doing here trace of A matrix. We have to take in that only square matrices also. Okay, square matrices ni maatrame manam teeskoni vaati diagonal elements evaithe untayo vaatni maatrame manam sum chestamani danni trace of A matrix ani antaru. For example capital A equal what is that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, find trace A. Okay, see here, trace of a matrix for definition. What is that? Here sum of the diagonal elements. Okay, trace of a matrix. Trace of a matrix equal summation. See here, this is I is equal 1 to 3 because here 3 by 3 square matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. I. See here, A11 plus A22 plus A33. That equal here A11 equal 1 plus A22 equal 5 plus A33 equal 9. What is that? This equal 15. Okay, this is the trace of a matrix example. Next, scalar matrix. A square matrix in which the diagonal elements are all equal and all other elements are zeros is called a scalar matrix. See here, it is called a scalar matrix. See, it is a square matrix in which the diagonal elements 3 3 3 are equal. Okay, these are not equals here and all other elements are zeros. See here, this one has zeros. Diagonal elements are same values. Okay, this is the square matrix in which the diagonal elements are scalar matrix. Okay, right. Next, unit matrix or identity matrix. A square matrix in which each diagonal elements is equal to unity. See here, scalar matrix ko vachesi manaki ikkademo same values untayi diagonal elements. కానీ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటంటే మనకి diagonal elements 1 అయి ఉండాలి. Okay, right, and all other elements being zeros is called a unit matrix or identity matrix. It is denoted by I. Okay, it is denoted by I. Example, A equal 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, see here, this is the 3 by 3 matrix. What we denoted here I3. Okay, right, మనం దీన్ని ఎలా డినోట్ చేస్తున్నాం? I3 తో డినోట్ చేస్తున్నాం. For suppose A equal 1 0 0 1 ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి, దీన్ని ఏమంటాం? I2 అంటే 2 by 2 matrix. ఓకేనండి, డయాగోనల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ మనకి 1 అయి ఉందంటే అదేంటి ఖచ్చితంగా యూనిట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఇలా డయాగోనల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ సేమ్ అయి ఉన్నాయంటే ఏంటంటే అది స్కేలార్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఓకే, Next, triangular matrix. Triangular matrix, if all elements below or above the principal diagonal of a square matrix are zeros, it is called upper and lower triangular matrix. See here, this is the upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Okay. Now this is lower triangular matrix. Adding these one, lower triangular matrix. Okay. See here. Now A11, A12, A13, 0, A22, A23, 0, 0, A33. This is a upper triangular matrix. Below values are 0. Next, A11, 0, 0, A21, A22, 0, A31, A32, A33. Upper value is 0 and below values here not equal to 0. This is a lower triangular matrix. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Please comment. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.